Namaste. Yes, you can.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Yes, sir. I would like to ask a question, sir. Sir, in the month of May, June, July, in these months, we feel more clumsy, more lazy. Why, sir? Like I am a student, and whenever I try to study, sir, I feel lazy, and in generally I avoid the work and think that I will do it later. I will do it later, but after again I feel clumsy. So how we can rid of these clumsiness, these laziness?
Okay. Dear friend, first of all, we must try to understand that how long hours we are sleeping. Here, quantity, quality, and many other things are important. If you compare winter and summer, you will find that winter's nights are more peaceful, less disturbing. There is not so much noise outside, so you are able to sleep deeply. Remember this thing. Because due to winter, due to coldness, life becomes slow early 9 or 10. And in summer, it is very difficult to find a peaceful even the middle of the night. Means you can find the people are moving here and there at even 12 o'clock or 1 a.m. So outside environment is not so peaceful. It is not helpful in sleeping. First thing. Second thing, as far as hours are considered, generally a normal person sleep at most 11 in the winter, and he get up near about 6 or 7. Means he is able to get the 6, 7, 8 hours sleep. But opposite things happen in the summer. Most of the people sleep or able to sleep after 12, and they generally get up early. Means nights are shorter in summer. So we are getting less sleep in the night in summer. But our body and mind need sleep. So it want to compensate in the day. But as we are not able to understand the psychology of the body, and we don't allow ourselves to sleep, that's why it feels lazy, lethargic, clumsy. Another thing which I am going to tell you, which is the most important, all other things are not important. Okay, you have taken coffee or tea in the middle of the night or this and that, that's why you are not able to sleep. Remember, we have a sleep cycle. We have the 2 hours in the whole night when our sleep is so deep, so deep. जिसे तथाकथित धार्मिक लोग ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कहते हैं. जो so called intelligent people or yoga called brahma muhurat. We must try to understand. There are 2 hours, deep hours, when we go into the sleep so deeply. It is the most refreshing time. It is the most soothing time. It is the most rejuvenating time. It is the time which give you vitality, which give you energy, which give you power. So first of all, we must recognize which time is this. Most probably, this time is between 2 to 6, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Everybody is unique, so everybody's this time is unique. For example, my time is generally start at 3, near about 3. If I am able to sleep between 3 to 5, if I am able to sleep 3 to 5, just 2 hours, I will be perfectly happy, perfectly healthy, celebrating, no tiredness. Likewise, everybody must know which is his time. Yes, in summer it happens. For example, your time is 4 to 6, but at 5 o'clock you are getting up and you are going to the park. You are not able to take that time. But in winter, generally you go to the park after 6. In winter, you don't go at 5. But in summer, you are going 5. Means you have reduced your sleeping time. You have taken your best important time of your sleep, and you are not able to sleep at that time. And that time will be recovered, or body will try to recover that time in the day, and you will not sleep. That's why your body will feel lethargic, lazy, clumsy. So try to arrange your that time. That is the most important. It is not important that what kind of protein or what kind of enzyme or what kind of minerals is created in your body, and that's why you are not able to sleep in winter. Science says something or also says something. No, no, ask your body what is the best time for you to sleep. If you are able to find those 2 hours, and most probably it is late for girls in our society, or in whole society, it is happening that generally wives or women folk get wake up early. Scientifically it is wrong. They should get up late, but we will discuss in some another day. So if really you want to get over of this clumsiness, particularly in May, June, July, August, etc., because their nights are shorter and days are longer, so you must think over your those 2 hours, please, and it will help you tremendously, and you will able to sleep properly. Okay, thank you.